Good morning, students. Today, under advanced feature of Excel, the topic which we're going to cover is types of chart. So let's proceed. MS Excel offers a wide range of charts to interpret data. These charts share some common features which assist the user in comprehending the data logically. In Excel sheet, we just have to enter the data and have to insert the chart. The chart will be created automatically. There are different type of chart which we can able to make on that data. These are first one, bar chart. A bar chart or a bar graph is a chart or graph that presents categorical data with rectangular bars with heights or lengths proportional to the value that they represent. The bars can be plotted vertically or horizontally. A bar graph shows comparison among discrete categories. That means it shows the comparison between individual data items, and it displays data in the form of long rods called bars, as you can see in example also in this figure also, that are placed vertically or horizontally on the chart area. In this type of chart, categories are represented on the vertical axis and the values are represented on the horizontal axis. So here in this bar chart, you can see the number of boys and girls and the standards are given. Like in fifth standard, the total number of boys are 40 as it is denoted by blue bar, and the number of girls are 20 as it is denoted by maroon bar. Next is column chart. A column chart typically displays the categories along the horizontal axis and the values along the vertical axis. To create a column chart, arrange the data in columns or rows on the worksheet. Here in this figure, you can see this chart is used for displaying the data that shows different trends over a period of time. It is the default chart type of MS Excel. That is, whenever we insert a chart on any of the data, we find this chart always. We can obviously change the chart type even, but it is by default. In this type of chart, the categories are organized horizontally and the values vertically to emphasize the magnitude of change over a period of time. Next is line chart. Line chart can show continuous data over time on an evenly scaled axis. Therefore, they are ideal for showing trends in the data at equal interval, such as months, quarters, or years. In a line chart, category data is distributed evenly along the horizontal axis and the value data is distributed evenly along the vertical axis. Here in this figure, you can see the line chart. It is in the form of lines and is used to illustrate the trends in data at equal interval. It is quite similar to plotting a graph on a graph paper with its value on the x-axis and y-axis. Next is area chart. Area chart can be used to plot the change over time and draw attention to the total value across a trend. By showing the sum of the plotted value, an area chart also shows the relationship of parts to a whole. Here in this figure, you can see the maths is denoted by blue color and English marks are denoted by orange one. So it is a unique version of line as well as column chart. This type of chart has a greater visual impact than a line chart. Next is XY scatter chart. XY scatter chart are typically used for showing and comparing numeric values like scientific, statistical, and engineering data. A scatter chart has two value axes, horizontal value axis and vertical, that is y value axis. It combines x and y value into single data point and displays them in an irregular intervals or cluster. As you can see in this figure, this is scatter chart. This chart has two value axes. We have already told. One set of numerical data is displayed along the horizontal axis, that is x-axis. Another set is represented by the vertical y-axis. X-axis is usually assigned to an independent variable, and y variable then becomes the dependent variable on x. Next is pie chart. Pie chart shows the size of item in one data series proportional to the sum of the items. The data points in the pie chart are shown as a percentage of the whole pie. In this figure, you can see pie chart. This chart displays the data in the form of circle that is divided into series of segments. These segments shows the relative size of each item in the chart. It always shows only the data series and is useful when you want to emphasize a significant element. This chart type is the best with smaller number of values.